Outside of the product you want your readers to buy, you should also consider the brand the product is being sold by. What kind of image do they have? Does the persona that they convey match up with the kind of reader they want to target? After all, if a gun holster company plasters flowers and cartoon bunnies all over their website, their target audience might not feel like the brand aligns with how they identify.
There's not always much you can do to change this as a copywriter, but you should still be aware of any potential friction points that the image of the brand could create.
Similarly, one last thing you should absolutely note down are all the authority points the brand you're working with has to offer.
How many people use them? What certifications do they have? How many big names trust them? You'll probably pick these up naturally in your features to benefits exercise anyway, but be sure you search for everything you could use to make the brand feel more trustworthy in the eyes of your reader.
Once you've looked at all of this, you have a great idea of what your product has to offer.
More importantly, it means that you can clearly see how your product might connect to your reader's emotional core as you move on with your research.
But before we get to researching the reader's emotional core itself, we have to know a little bit about what else our reader might see on their journey first.
Something most copywriters have to contend with is high market sophistication. In other words, competing in a niche with a lot of other brands. In spaces like this, persuading target readers has to go beyond just appealing to desires with simple promises. At a certain point, people are going to realize that some get-rich-quick scheme making 10K a month promises isn't actually able to deliver. Remember, market sophistication happens because readers eventually get used to seeing the same messaging in ads, so they already know what to expect when those same messages are repeated by others. They lose all novelty. The result is that you have to come up with something different.